All right, so we're going to take a look at the official Pixel Fold case by Google, and I'm going to let you know if I think it's worth your time and money. Just because it's made by Google doesn't mean that it's a good case, but we're going to find out. So let's get started. All right, so right off the bat, this does seem like a silicone type case. It does have a nice soft feel to it, and on the inside, it's got like this nice soft microfiber material to help keep your phone from getting all scratched up. And it also has these stickers along the corners here to help keep your case on your phone. The other piece also does have a nice long sticker on the side as well, and it's got cutouts for your speakers and microphone on each side. Now, I can pretty much tell you that this case is not made of all silicone, especially because of this top piece here. It's got this hard plastic on the top and the bottom, so I'm guessing that the case itself is covered by this soft silicone feel, and it's not actually made of all silicone. And from past experience, plastic covered in this soft silicone tends to wear off over time. It's not to say that it's going to happen, I'm just telling you from past experience, that's what I've seen. So we'll put these on our phone. You can kind of just clip these into place, just like that. And we'll put on the top here. So there, that's what it looks like on our phone. I haven't taken the stickers off yet because I want to see how the case reacts without even taking those stickers apart. So it looks really nice on the phone right now. Feels nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it's not grippy either. It's just got that nice soft silicone feel. Buttons are easily accessible, still recognizes my fingerprints. As you can see, it does have a raised edge to protect your front screen. There's no protection for the spine, but on the back here, it does sit flush with your cameras. Now, if you're going to put your phone down on its back, it might touch the camera because it looks like it's pretty much flush. On the bottom here, it's got our cutout for the charging port, our speakers, and our microphones. One thing that kind of bugs me is you see how it's kind of bent on the phone. It doesn't kind of like stick down. That bothers me a little bit. And let's see if this works with wireless charging. No issues there. Works perfectly fine. So now let's open up our phone. It's definitely a lot easier to open up the phone with this case on the phone itself. If we look at the side here, it doesn't look like it offers much protection for the edges and the inner screen of your phone. Not really a raised edge. And if we look at the side here, the case seems to already be coming off of the phone. And that's where that one side was looking like it was kind of like bent up. It's just kind of not sticking on the phone very well. Actually, you can see that the phone is actually sticking above the case. So that's definitely not a good sign. So because it wasn't sticking down in this one edge, I am going to take the stickers off and we'll see what it looks like then. All right, so we'll put that back on our phone. We'll press down into place, making sure the stickers are stuck down. All right, so let's take a look at this one more time. Now it does seem like that the edge here is sticking down a lot better. Yeah, it still kind of just barely seems like it's bending just a little bit. That's why I like to try the cases without the stickers on there before, because if you don't need to take off the stickers, that's definitely a good sign that the case is holding onto the phone well enough without it. But in this case, you almost need to use that sticker, and even with the sticker, it might still be coming up. I don't know, it kind of looks bent to me. What do you guys think? It's like it's bent down a little bit. But it does feel good in the hand. I do like that soft feel to the silicone, and it's got the cutouts for your buttons on the side here as well. Looks really nice, feels good in the hand, and again, it makes it much easier to open up the phone with this case on there. Now, because this one side kind of just seems a little weird, I don't know that I would probably recommend this case. The top part does seem to be working just fine without that sticker on it. You can see I was opening and closing the case and it's not moving around at all. So whether or not you choose to use the sticker, it seems to be up to you. It seems just fine without it. But what do you guys think about the case? Let me know in the comments below. I also don't like the fact that the case sits pretty much flush with the rear camera, because when you put your phone down, I wouldn't want anything to crack or scratch the rear camera. I would also have liked to see just a little raised edge on the inside. It's pretty much just flush with the phone itself. If you were to put your phone face down, open like this with this case on here, it would probably touch the screen and not the case itself. I don't know, because there's no raised edge on the camera here or on the inner screen, and this little edge kind of seems to be a little bent up. And another reason I don't really like this case is the fact that this portion here, the back portion, comes off the phone rather easily. You can just push it with your finger, and the bottom portion comes off just as easy as well. And there's no sticker to hold that in place. So now, because the case doesn't seem to hold onto the phone very well, there's really not a raised edge to protect your camera. This little piece here seems to be not flush down with my phone, and because I would really like to see a little raised edge for your inner screen, I would definitely tell you guys to stay away from this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs down. So that's my review on the official Google Pixel Fold case. But what do you guys think about this case? Will you be picking one up? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you guys want to pick this case up, I will be putting a link in the video description. I would also recommend checking out my best and worst case video for the brand new Google Pixel Fold, because there I review a ton of different cases all in one video. So if you guys liked the video, it would definitely help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.